Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study college subjects step by step. First, let's set the stage for success. Begin by thoroughly reviewing your course syllabus. It's your roadmap for the semester. Pay close attention to grading criteria and assignment deadlines. Next, break down large projects into smaller, more manageable chunks. This approach makes daunting tasks feel less overwhelming and helps you track progress effectively. Finally, take a moment to understand your personal learning style, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, to optimize your study techniques. Now, let's dive into active learning. Attending every lecture is crucial, and don't just sit there. Actively participate by asking questions and engaging in discussions. This helps solidify your understanding. When taking notes, focus on key concepts and use a system that works for you, like the Cornell method or mind mapping. After class, review your notes within 24 hours to reinforce memory. If something remains unclear, don't hesitate to ask your professor or a teaching assistant for clarification. Moving on to practice and reinforcement, consistent review is key. Don't wait until the last minute. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to revisit material. Practice problem-solving diligently, especially for quantitative subjects. A great strategy is to use past exams or practice questions to test your knowledge and identify areas needing more attention. Furthermore, try explaining complex concepts to a friend or study group. If you can teach it, you truly understand it, which is a powerful learning tool. Finally, let's talk about well-being and organization. A balanced study schedule is essential. Allocate specific times for each subject and stick to it. Remember, your physical and mental health are paramount. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, eat nutritious meals, and incorporate regular physical activity. Short, frequent breaks, like 5 to 10 minutes every hour, can significantly improve focus and prevent burnout. Prioritizing self-care ensures you have the energy and clarity to excel academically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.